Okay, 10th graders, we're going to take a quick look at how to complete number 4 successfully. Number 4 is the most challenging exercise on this assignment, and we have found in the past that students quite often don't follow the directions carefully enough. So what you see here in number 4 in italics is a question that you have to try to answer by using a particular book found in our library. This book is on this list right here. Over on the circulation desk, you will see a list that includes 6 titles. And one of these titles, one of these reference books, has the answer to your question. Now, the question itself has a hint in it. So if we look back at this question, it reads, compare different translations of Jesus' return from Jordan in chapter 4 of Luke's Gospel. Which translation begins with a reference to Jesus instead of the Holy Spirit? So now I have to look back at that list of books, only this time I'm showing you a list that has in red hints as to how to pick the correct book. The word in red is a hint that will connect to your question and help you figure out which book to look in. So let's go back to the question here. The question that this particular student has deals with different translations. I look back to this sheet right here, and I see the word translations in red right next to number 2, the Complete Parallel Bible. So I have to use the call number, R220.5 PAR. I have to go to the shelf, I have to find the book, and then I have to figure out how the book works. Always ask for help if you're having difficulty with that part of it. Once I figure out how the book works, then I'm going to locate the page that has the answer to my question. And when I locate that page, I'm going to ask one of the librarians to make a copy of that page using the copy machine. And then I'm going to circle the exact spot where my answer is located. There it is right there. This translation, there are 4 different translations here of this section of Luke, and this particular translation starts with the word Jesus, and that's what my question asked. My question asked which begins with a reference to Jesus instead of the Holy Spirit. And I go back to the text, and this one begins with a reference to Jesus, and so I circle it, and I will include that page when I pass in the assignment. So let's take a look at this process again. You have a question. The question has a hint. The hint is connected to a particular book on this sheet. This sheet is available on the circulation desk, but the sheet on the circulation desk doesn't have the red hints. The red hints are only in the presentation. And that should help you figure out how to complete this assignment successfully. Good luck.